So if you're anything like me, you probably get quite a few days of the week when your forearms are tight as anything, either whether it's from doing gymnastics, other bodyweight stuff, or lifting weights, Olympic lifting, anything like that. Now, I've got two excellent little stretches we used to use in circus school. There isn't really any name for them, they're just two really good forearm stretches. Both of them just involve planting the hand on the floor and twisting around the hand. Now, you're always going to be moving towards the thumb. So in the first one, your hand is pointed in front of you. You have it on the ground, you clip the other hand over the top, and once that's clasped, you then keep your arm nice and straight and you move around towards the thumb, towards the front, to about 90 degrees. And you should feel that all the way up your forearm there. The second one is your fingers towards you. Hand nice and flat on the floor. Lean back a little bit and clasp the hand. Again, move around then to the thumb. And again, to about 90 degrees or however far you get in this one. These are really good go-to stretches. So give them a go and let me know.